Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of technology and explore the latest trends that shape our digital landscape. Today, we'll discuss some cutting edge concepts and innovative tech phrases. So, buckle up and get ready to expand your tech vocabulary. I'm ABL Masharati, an English teacher and a teacher trainer. If you're ready, let's get the show on the road. Have you ever wondered how your favorite videos go viral overnight? Well, behind every viral sensation is the power of bleeding-edge cloud computing. By harnessing this advanced technology, content creators can efficiently store and distribute their work online. Cutting-edge software and state-of-the-art hardware work together in a plug-and-play ecosystem, allowing users to instantly connect devices and access files with ease. As a result, even the most complex tasks become more user-friendly. But what if you are a beginner looking to explore these technologies? Fear not, you can enroll in a crash course to get up to speed. Just remember to keep your applications up to date, so they don't keep freezing during those crucial moments. Okay, so let's continue with the expressions and actually some phrases. We're going to go through them and we're going to check their meanings together. Don't forget to have a pen or pencil ready, write them down so later you can use them in your daily conversation. Okay, let's go. The first expression is bleeding edge cloud computing. Bleeding-edge cloud computing, the most advanced and innovative cloud computing technologies. Example, cutting-edge cloud computing enables faster data processing and storage. Okay, now, the next one is go viral. Go viral, to spread rapidly through sharing on social media or other online platforms. Example, their funny video went viral within hours. Okay, their funny video went viral within hours. So if your video goes viral, it will spread rapidly through sharing on social media or other online platforms. Cutting edge, highly advanced and innovative. Example, the cutting-edge software offered real-time translation capabilities. So if you say something is cutting-edge, it is very advanced, highly advanced, okay? Like cutting-edge software, cutting-edge technology. State-of-the-art is the next expression, state-of-the-art. The most up-to-date and advanced of its kind. Example, the studio featured state-of-the-art equipment for recording music. So state-of-the-art equipment, state-of-the-art cell phone is the most up-to-date one, an advanced one. Plug and play is the next expression, easy to use and connect. Example, the plug and play device was compatible with various operating systems. So if a device is plug and play, it is easy to use and connect. Plug in, to connect a device to an electrical outlet or another device. Example, please plug in your headphones to listen to the audio. So if you plug in your headphones, you connect the headphone to an electrical outlet or another device. Okay, next expression, user-friendly. User-friendly, easy to understand or use for the average person. Example, the user-friendly interface made the software accessible to beginners. So if something is user-friendly, it is very easy to use. Okay, like user-friendly laptop, user-friendly tablet, user-friendly technology. Crash course, a short, intensive course that covers a lot of information in a brief time. Example, she took a crash course in photography to improve her skills. So if you take a crash course, you take a short, intensive course that covers a lot of information in a very short time. Keep freezing. Keep freezing is the next expression. To repeatedly stop working or responding temporarily. Example, my computer keeps freezing when I try to run that new software. So if your computer keeps freezing, it stops working or responding for a short time or temporarily. Yeah, that sometimes drives people crazy. It really drives me crazy when my computer or cell phone keeps freezing. Okay, everybody, we hope you enjoyed learning about these innovative tech terms and expressions. Be sure to incorporate them into your conversations and stay up to date on the latest advancements in the world of technology. Don't forget to follow us on our social media for more captivating content. And join us next time for another insightful episode. Till next time, have a great day.